Hey there, Greg Marchand here. This is a really tough subject, right? Managing stress and avoiding burnout as a shop owner. I'm not going to say it's not impossible, but I'm going to acknowledge it's a big challenge. Number one, you've got to get yourself to the point where you can work on the business, not in the business. That means you're not in the shop every day. You are not at the service counter every day. You have built your organization so the service counter can stand on its own, make all the decisions they need to make. The technicians can do all the diagnostics and run productivity on their own. That's your number one job. Work on the business, not in the business. That alone will reduce stress and potentially reduce burnout. The other thing you've got to do is you've got to prioritize your calendar every day. Your number one job is to ensure car count. Your number two job is to ensure positive organizational culture or company culture, however you want to view it, right? Positive shop culture. Set yourself a system of tasks every day that focus on those two things, and look, take time off when you need to. I encourage every one of you, make sure you take the weekends off, don't go into the shop. It's a big battle I have with my coaching clients, I get it, but take your weekends to yourself. Don't think about work, think about working on, not in, 5 days a week, not 6 or 7. Keep up the great work, avoid that burnout, and never, ever, ever stop learning.